In front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open an app called Files that's already on your device. Then hit Allow in the pop-up if you never used it before, and tap on those 3 lines at the top left corner. Hit Clean. Select Clean under Junk Files and finally Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!